my name is Dustin and I'm one of the product specialists at Neptune. And today we'll be going over how to install a filter bag kit into one of our bypass feeders. So here we have the DBF-5 HP, and the filter bag kit would be the FBK-5. And the contents of the filter bag kit is a 30 micron filter bag, a frame, and connection tubing. So what we want to do is take our connection tubing and insert it into the inlet side of the bypass feeder. And so as we insert it, we want to make sure that the orientation here at the end is vertical when we look inside the bypass feeder. So just a heads up. And so we would insert this into the inlet side, making sure that you've already added your Teflon tape and your piping dope. And we're going to go ahead and start off by threading it in. And here I have a wrench just to tighten it. So we're looking into the bypass feeder and making sure that that tube is facing vertical, facing upward. Okay, so now that we've made sure that it's vertical and it's centered, we can take our frame and our filter bag here. So we're going to put, there's the base here, and then there's a drawstring that is connected to the filter bag. And all we got to do is tighten it. Secure it. And once we've secured the frame and the bag, we can insert it directly on top. And then we take our cap, and the cap will actually keep the frame in place along with the filter bag. And now your bypass feeder is now a filter feeder.